My version of a strawberry shortcake, but without all the carbs and sugar. Yummy! Real quick, before we get started, some of you had some great suggestions on my last recipe video that I posted, and I just want to let you know, since I take all of your comments to heart, I made some notes. First, make sure there's no bug on my wall behind me. Second, do not use sugar-free ingredients, they are junk. Also, no background music because it's too distracting. And whatever I do, do not say the word low carb because carbs are not the enemy. Cue the music. Okay, first you're gonna need one of the Duncan Hines keto-friendly cakes, the classic yellow. You are going to bake this cake according to the instructions on the back. Once you bake your cake and it's nice and cool, you can go ahead and start assembling your strawberry shortcake. Now, I cut my cake into 10 slices. I took one of those slices and I cut it up into little tiny cubes. So go ahead and dump that into my cup. Next, I did a half a cup of strawberries. I sliced those up. To add a little bit of sweetness, I like to add just a couple pinches of the monk fruit sweetener. This is one of my favorite sugar substitutes. All right, so this next part is completely optional, but growing up, we always used to put milk on our strawberry shortcake. So what I do now is I take about a half a cup of heavy cream, and then I just take my little frother gadget tool and I just kind of mix this until it gets a little bit thick. You don't want it to be obviously whipped cream, but you just want to thicken it up some. All right, now we're gonna take our heavy cream and we're gonna pour that down over top. And then I always like to have a little bit of crunch, so for some extra crunch, I'm just gonna add some slivered almonds. And then no dessert is complete without whipped topping. I did not get the sugar-free because number one, the store did not have any, and number two, it's only one carb for the amount that I'm going to use, and yeah, I believe in balance. So our strawberry shortcake is done. If you do want to add a little bit of zing to this, I have also added the Bake and Believe no sugar added white chocolate chips. Just adds a little something to it. You don't have to do it. I'm not going to do it today, but it's an option for you. If you try this, please let me know.